Okay, you have your 14-day trial period of Shopify. So do I. My store is pants for cats, and it's going to make me millions. So this is your dashboard. When you first sign in, this is what you will see. So this is called your home screen. You're going to want to select a plan. And these payments will start once your 14-day trial ends. The biggest difference between this basic and the middle one, other than the $50, is your credit card rates are a little lower for the middle plan. You get 3 extra staff accounts. So if you think that you have someone who's going to be logging in regularly to your Shopify, that would be a staff account. And if you think you're going to have up to 5 of them, then you definitely want to go for that middle plan. The shipping discount is a little bigger for this middle plan. And I believe, let's see, don't want to give you wrong information. If you have a point of sale, POS, I believe that you want to go with this middle plan. I also know the middle plan offers gift cards, which this basic one does not. But it looks like the biggest difference to me is if you have a brick and mortar, a permanent pop-up, or you're planning on doing lots of pop-ups, you should go for the $79 a month one. Otherwise, you're going to be just fine with the basic plan. And if you're looking to do gift cards and still stick to this basic plan, it's very easy to build a coupon code in, put it on a printed gift card, and email or mail it to the recipient. So you definitely don't need the $79 a month plan just for gift cards. So orders, obviously, is once your store is in working order and it's up and running, you're going to see your orders here. Products. This is where so obviously you're going to hit add product. And I am selling pants for cats. Your description, you always want to be as, excuse the redundancy, but you want your description to be as descriptive as possible. So customers really like to see styling tips, fabric content, where they're made, what else is really good? And wash instructions help a lot. That's also going to keep you from getting emails from customers asking you those same questions over and over again. So these pantaloons are great for all cats. Fat cats, skinny cats, outdoor cats, and indoor cats. They all love pantaloons. 100% cotton, made in Catville. Wash on cold, hang outside to dry. Okay, product type. Because my store is brand new, I don't have any types saved, so this drop-down box isn't activating. So I'm just going to put pantaloons. And yes, I want to add that. The vendor is the company who makes the product. So in this case, it's Catville Pantaloons USA. I encourage you to use as many tags as possible, and this is because later on down the road, when you're sorting collections, it's really easy to sort your collections by tags. Images, obviously you click on upload an image. Here's where you put your price. These are $200. And inventory policy, unless you have a digital item or an item that is being drop shipped. I'm trying to think of another instance where you would not want Shopify to track your inventory. You would know that. Otherwise, you definitely want Shopify to track your inventory. I have 5 pairs of these gorgeous pantaloons. Yes, this is a physical product, so it will need to be shipped. You can enter the weight here and the tariff code here. Now, if you like, you certainly don't have to. You can calculate the shipping rates when you have an order to fulfill. This will save you a teensy bit of time if you do it up front. Okay, so add variant. You can change the size. So I have small, medium, and large. Oopsies, Butterfingers. Then this is where you can also say, maybe you have different colorways or different styles. So my styles happen to be ruffle and straight. And then make sure you come in here and adjust your inventory accordingly. So I have one of each, which actually means I have 6. So let's make sure. There you go. Okay. Edit website SEO. So this is when someone is searching for pants for cats, they're going to see, this is the URL that they're going to see. And this is the description. So when you're searching for Google and you see the title, and then it shows you a couple lines underneath, these are the lines they're going to see underneath. And then you just save your product. Customers is going to show you, I'm back on the left-hand side here. Customers is going to show you, obviously, your customers. Analytics is really awesome once your store's been up and running for a while because it will break down your where you're getting customers from, what your returning customer rate is, your average order value, everything is in here in your analytics. And if you click on where right now it says today, you can change your date range. So you can look at Q1 versus Q2. You can look at your month to date, your week to date. So when you're setting financial goals, it's really, really easy to see how you're doing on your goals. Okay, discounts. This is where, obviously, you can create a discount. So this is where I will sometimes do my gift cards. And if you just hit generate code, they're going to give you a random code. And then you can also do something like specific, like pantaloons. You can do a percentage. You can do a fixed amount off. You can do a free shipping code, or buy X, get Y. So it'd be like buy one, get one free, buy one, get one half off. And then here you can apply it to specific products or their entire order or specific collections. So maybe all of your dresses are on sale, all of your cat shoes are on sale, but not everything in the whole store. Obviously, minimum purchase amount. And then here is where if you are doing like, if you're doing an exchange for shop credit or if you're doing maybe a gift card, this is where you can apply it to specific customers. And once you have customers in your database, you can easily enter their email address here. Here's your usage limits and your active dates. So you can set an end date if it's a flash sale. Apps. Yeah, that's all right. I'll be back. So Affiliately is already installed in Pants for Cats. Affiliately is an affiliate app. And people can sign up for their exclusive code. And when they share that code with their friends and their friends make a purchase, then your affiliate will get a small kickback. So it encourages them to be great word of mouth for you and also gives them an incentive to do it. So this is where you're going to obviously add apps. Make sure you look at the prices because apps can add up, but there's some really cool ones. One that I highly recommend is TaxJar. And if you're looking for a loyalty program, my clients' favorites are Loyalty Lion and Swell. And TaxJar, I think, is like $19 a month, but it tells you, basically it does your taxes for you. All you have to do is physically go in and file them when TaxJar tells you to. So if you go here to Online Store, move my little logo there. This is where you can customize what your store looks like. Here's where you can change the theme. I don't see any reason really to buy a theme. They're kind of expensive and the free themes work great. So all of this is going to be when you start blogging for your shop, different pages, navigation, all of this stuff is just designing the way that your store is customized and looks to customers online. So now we're going to go into settings, payment providers. So you're going to want to complete your account setup so that you can get paid through Shopify. Most people like to pay through PayPal, so I recommend setting that up too. And a lot of people have been saying that they really, really like Amazon Pay. So I would actually probably activate that as well. I'm going to go in here and make sure that you have this calculated the way that you want it to be. So you're going to just hit edit, and you're going to set it so that it'll allow you to do how much your customer is spending, so that if you want to do free shipping, for orders over $100, you can do that in here. And just make sure you save it. Taxes, you want to make sure you go in and set taxes accordingly. You can want your customers to be notified how often. So order confirmation, order canceled, order refund, buying online through your point of sale, abandoned checkouts, all of this stuff. You can get either a text for it to them or an email. Sales channels is a biggie. Make sure that you add Pinterest and Facebook and Instagram so that you can sell your product through social. Pinterest requires a few different things to set up, like make sure you have a refund policy in place. I think maybe a terms of service policy needs to be in place. And that's under legal. And they'll give you a template. And then billing and account. So account is where you're going to add a staff account if you would like to get your first 14 days free.